when we started, na, it was like around 600 something.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it reached there, and I got a jackpot where this reel alone
Okay.
went 42.2K views.
Oh my God. Congratulations.
My other reels are like 2000, 4000, and
Mm-hmm.
highest was 14,000. Now it's 16,000.
Oh, very nice.
So it got jumped. I got 1150 likes, and almost half of it comments because I'm asking them to join my group. And
Yes.
actually, during this journey, now
Mm-hmm.
I'm making sure that the turnaround time comes very close.
Yes.
That is a conversion.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like that now. So I again with my current experience, which my previous client got, we got 23 lakhs order now.
Yeah, yeah.
So he directly shifted to let's start a manufacturing setup.
Oh my God. So nice.
So
Good.
it was like a shocking point for me also because that is heavy investment call.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But with just the selling conversion, he got that confidence.
Okay.
And one magical thing happened yesterday. Uh, just a second.
Yeah.
I'll just turn on the charging. सो मैं ना उनके लिए मैं एक्चुअली ग्रोथ ही प्लान करते रहता हूँ। तो
Welcome.
जिसमें मैं देखता हूँ कि रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग, बिकॉज की सर्वाइवल मोड बहुत ही खतरनाक है जो ग्रोथ देता नहीं है।
Welcome.
उसके चलते आई फाइंड वन कंपनी वी स्टार्टेड इन 2014
Okay.
एंड वो एक ट्रेडिंग से शुरू हुई कंपनी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे गई, फिर आईपीओ में गई, एंड नाउ
Mm-hmm.
इट हैज अ वैल्यूएशन ऑफ 1000 crore.
Oh my God. So good.
And the same journey he is starting now,
Okay.
but he don't know that example, that case study which I found,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
it is happening very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
He got so many inquiries which he cannot handle. The same thing is happening with me. I'm
So
not,
nice.
I'm not handling those inquiry. Already have a 1200 plus leads,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know. I think I'm there, almost there to
Yes, yes.
crack that thing. Then he got a B2B order,
Mm-hmm.
and he was like, let's go for a manufacturing. And
Yes,
I
yes.
found the growth study, and he's also Maharashtrian from
Mm.
Kolhapur.
Okay.
His name is Muske,
Mm-hmm.
and he has a good brand over there. And annual turnover he reached 293 crore.
Very nice.
With he started with his